In the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle and the quest to shed those extra pounds, the importance of a balanced diet is paramount. Have you considered the tropical delight that is papaya? This fruit not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also aids in weight loss. Let's embark on a journey to explore the myriad benefits of papaya for weight loss. Firstly, it's essential to understand the powerhouse of nutrition that papaya is. This vibrant fruit, rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, offers a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate. With its low-calorie and high-fiber content, papaya makes a perfect addition to a weight loss diet. Papaya is also a friend to your digestive health. It contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in the digestion of proteins. Consuming papaya can help prevent bloating and indigestion, ensuring that your digestive system functions optimally. When it comes to successful weight loss, controlling calorie intake is key. Here too, papaya shines. Low in calories but high in satisfaction, it keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. But that's not all. Papaya contains a unique enzyme known as bromelain, which promotes fat metabolism. Regular consumption of papaya can help your body break down fat more efficiently, supporting your weight loss efforts. A sluggish metabolism can turn weight loss into an uphill battle. But fear not, papaya comes to the rescue as a natural metabolism booster, thanks to its rich vitamin B complex content. A well-functioning metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, helping you shed those extra pounds. Furthermore, papaya's high fiber content aids in detoxification by flushing out harmful substances. It keeps your digestive system clean and ensures that your body can focus on burning fat effectively. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for weight management. Papaya, with its low glycemic index, releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly. This helps in maintaining consistent energy levels and curbing sugar cravings, which can lead to overeating. For the fitness enthusiasts, papaya can be an excellent pre-workout snack due to its high energy content. Its natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, helping you power through your workout sessions. Incorporating papaya into your diet is easy and enjoyable. Experiment with delicious papaya-based recipes to kickstart your weight loss journey. In summary, papaya supports weight loss by aiding digestion, controlling calorie intake, promoting fat metabolism, boosting metabolism, aiding detoxification, regulating blood sugar levels, and providing a pre-workout energy boost. So next time you're reaching for a snack, consider the humble papaya and let it support your